Field Assembly Optical Connector, AJW, FAOC, SCPC. Installation Manual. Prepare for FAOC assembling. Insert the screw cap onto the optical cable. Strip the coating off the optical cable over 40 millimeters. Using the jig, strip the coating off 900 and 250 micrometers from the end of 900 micrometers to the point of 18 millimeters, marked 20 millimeters, and clean the fiber using alcohol and gauze. Cut off the fiber at the length of 10 millimeters using the optical fiber cleaver with the jig. Insert optical cable into the fiber guide on the boot. When it is checked the bending of cable is above, stop inserting. Maintaining the cable bended with the right hand, push the connecting holder forward to the end to secure the fiber. Pull the boot cover down. Connect the screw cap with the boot by turning it, leaving the yarn out. Cut the yarn with scissors and screw the cap to the end. Make sure the housing protrusion faces down and secure it to the body. Completion. Disassembling. Pull out the housing and loosen the screw cap. Switch the fiber connecting holder back and pull out the cable and reassemble. Field Assembly Optical Connector, AJW, FAOC, SCPC.